Oh, wow. Wow, these are cool. All right, we are at the Culinary building on the Ivy Tech campus in Midtown, Indianapolis. These were originally old Otis's, but they look to have gotten a generic modernization with, I think that's monitor PC. Let's get a cab view. These are gorgeous. I love these old cabs. These must have been really old Otis's back then. Obviously they got modernized. 3,000 pound capacity. There's the old indicator. There's the certificate. These are interesting, I gotta say. Here we go. They're decently fast as well. Overall, I'd say this was a nice mod, well done. All right, I'm gonna end the video here because there is a front desk in the lobby. All right, that's it.